Now I'll go to the invoice, generate invoice. Okay, now at here we will apply our advance amount. We will settle our advance amount with the actual PO invoice. Okay, so what we need to do at here, once we generate, click on generate invoice. Under invoice on top you can see under vendor invoice, we can see under action apply prepayment. Okay, so we will click on this apply prepayment in the sense the advance which we have issued against this particular vendor. So we can against this particular purchase order, we can able to view under apply prepayment. Okay, so if I click on this apply prepayment, now you can see there is one prepayment invoice which is 1 lakh 20 is available. So I will check this particular checkbox, then the amount will be auto applied 100%. Okay, and if you want to apply partially, you can apply partially by editing this particular amount is there, right? Amount to apply in this column you can edit the amount. Like for example, I want to settle 50,000 or 5,000, you can settle it. Okay, so currently I'm applying 100%, that is 1 lakh 20. So I will apply 1 lakh 20 over here by checking this particular checkbox, and I will click on apply prepayment. So once I click on apply prepayment, now you can see another line will be added with minus 120. Okay, so let me go to the product receipt. Okay, now you can see the balance is 30. Okay, for 3 months it's 1,50,000, and we are settling with 1,20,000. So what is the difference between these two? Okay, the total difference of this particular invoice is 30,000. Okay, so that 30,000 will be shown under the balance of this particular PO invoice. So let me show you that how we can do it. So if I update the invoice number and post this particular PO invoice, let's imagine I'm giving the some random invoice number. Okay, and if I click on post, now you can able to view the okay, you can see it's stating as the match validation is not run. I have not enabled that particular parameter. I will show you. Update match status. Currently I'm doing manually updating the match status, and I will click on post. Okay, now this invoice has been posted. Okay, if I go to the invoice, okay, INV 8451 which we have posted, if I click on the voucher, it takes 1-2 minutes to update the voucher number. Okay, so at here you can see this prepayment application and vendor balance. Your at here the prepayment application is nothing but the advance to supplier account is getting credited, and the vendor balance is getting debited. Okay, and on top of that there is a purchase expenditure for expenses, and vendor balance is getting created. Okay, so if you see the net impact of this particular PO invoice, there will be a 30 has a balance. Okay, let me go a step back. You can clearly understand from the vendor transactional side. So let me go a step back. Accounts payable, all vendors. So let me select GM Infotech and I will click on vendors transactions. Okay, if I click on this particular transactions, now you can see, so this is the 996, this is the invoice which I have posted. Okay, 1,50,000, and you can see balance 30. Why it's showing as balance 30? The reason is this 1,20,000 and 1,50,000 we are settled down, so the remaining balance is 30,000, which is showing over here. Okay, even if I make if I even if I try to make the payment against this particular vendor, I will able to view the balance 30,000 against this particular invoice number. Okay, so this is the advance, apply, and payment and settlement. So they are the three concept, and the accounting entry remains same like this. For advance to supplier, tax and balance. For invoice, this is the advance, this is the entry. Okay, so far any doubt?
No, Gautam.
So so next session what we will do, I will do one thing. I will create a new legal entity. Okay, SCM, I will create new legal entity as SCM. So at there I will update the procurement category, how we can import the procurement category, and how we can do these kind of things. I will show you over there, and based on that we will do the complete end-to-end cycle. Okay, so
Okay, Gautam.
yeah,
Sure.
so far you have seen the complete cycle, procure to pay, and we have seen the advance. Now we will see the next cycle, in how we can apply the settings in new legal entity, which we have not seen it. We are seeing the configuration on existing part to understand the complete process. Okay, now we will create a new legal entity, and we will perform all the configuration, and we will do the complete cycle. Okay, and if we done that complete cycle, our procurement to pay cycle is complete, our procurement module will be completed. Okay, and after that we will see the sales and marketing module, and product information, and inventory management. So these are the three modules will be remaining. Okay, okay, if you have any questions, and if you have any doubts in the last training, and you have done the practice, right? So if you face any issues, I believe already few members have already reached me and Gautam. If you have anything else, please you can raise it. If there is no question,
I think we don't have any questions now.
okay, then we can close today's session.
Hmm.
And I will share these accounting entries in the chart session so that you can by heart. Okay.
If possible, share in the
Yeah,
group.
yeah.
I think.
I'm saying that I will share in the WhatsApp channel.
Okay. Okay.
Okay then. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend and all.
Okay, Gautam. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you. Same to you.